I feel different. I feel lighter and I feel empty. There's just no chitter chatter going on. To be able to get to where I am so far and then to have these breakthroughs in such a short period of time, to get to the other side of that and notice the shift that's happened so quickly. Yeah, the outcomes they're there and they're fast. I love it. It's going to be great. Watch out. I know that underneath I'm a very optimistic person and I like being happy, but there's this heaviness that sits there. There's this sense of not feeling like I matter. That's pretty strong for me. That sense of no one cares. I'd like to release my sense of self-doubt. Not good enough. I reckon that's probably out of 10 actually. Yeah, I didn't think that that would be that high, but that sense of not feeling good enough, always having to try and prove myself to someone out there. Yeah, it's really high for me. And I do turn around and I even will say, I'm stupid or I'm dumb or yeah, some really harsh things. I think I've felt not good enough all my life. You know, I've always tried to learn more, do more courses, prove that I have the knowledge, prove to family that I can do this and I can do that. But even when I've done really well, there's still been this underlying sense of, yeah, but you still haven't got it. You still aren't there. So now that doubt, it's kind of not there. It's really weird. I'm like, I keep searching for these things that were there and they're just not there. I don't know where they've gone. Call the police. They've just gone somewhere. They're out there. Where they belong. I just can't find. They're just words. Not good enough. Of course you bloody are. Right? That's okay. It's so weird to be replaced with something else. Not good enough for what? You know? Who said you're not good enough? Where'd you get that from? Get rid of that. That's just not part of who you are. So for me, the course is different in so many different areas. From the support, from the knowledge, from the outcomes, from the to other courses. You know, I've been in other courses and gone, yeah, this is really exciting, I'm going to do this and I'm going to bring all these people on board, and then I've gotten home and gone, oh, I can't do that because I've had all these other blocks holding me back. I know that if I have anything come up, that you guys will be here to support me to be the successful person that I have said that I want to be. And that, for me, that's worth the investment. Definitely worth it. And, you know, if you doubt, which we all do, the outcome, you won't by the time you've finished. Because I doubted, I was skeptical, and now I feel good. It feels great. Just